ready?
No.
No?
1 minute gone already, I got so fast!
Oh my god, I don't understand what is going on. What is this?
Scarecrow!
You need to talk to me, Justin.
Hey, you know what? Boss me, what? What you say? Ready, huh? Okay, let's go!
Well, that was such an exciting montage. Hello, welcome to the most beautiful airport in the world. As you can see behind us, right now it's very beautiful scenery. It's an indoor waterfall. Well, I'm your host Jaden, and today we're going to take a little sneak peek behind the scenes to see how Changi Airport makes sure that our trip overseas or back to Singapore is completely safe and comfortable. Let's introduce our superheroes of Changi Airport right now, the Airside Duty Officer! Alright, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Niza. I've been an Airside Duty Officer for nearly 12 years and I'm an avid fan of anime and manga.
Hi, I'm Marianne. I've been an ADO for 2 years and I can fix an aircraft.
Hi, I'm Arifa. I've been an Airside Duty Officer for 2 years, and fun fact about me is I grew up in a family of aviators.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I've been involved with the guys for about 5 years and this is a face of a 50-year-old.
He needs to drop the skincare routine, right?
Yeah.
Share me later.
And of course, we are missing one of the most important people of this series. It is Justin!
Airport. I just landed.
Got to land.
Alright, so if you've seen earlier in the trailer, you will have noticed that Justin has to earn stamps of approval from his mentors. I have one right here. Take a look at this. Amazing. Our lovely production team has created a very special stamp for every single aspect of being an Airside Duty Officer. So, over the 3 episodes, Justin will have to learn all different aspects. Each of the mentors will be taking one part and teaching Justin all the ropes. Alright, Justin, are you ready to see how you did for the very first challenge?
No, not really.
Well, ready or not, here we go!
Hey everyone, today I've been called upon to come to Changi to do a special assignment. Oh, what a great view! It's amazing, it's like a living city within Changi itself. I'm supposed to wait here for someone to fetch me. I was supposed it's my mentor.
Hey, you must be Justin. I'm Niza, your Airside mentor for today. Cool shot. The very first step in becoming an Airside Duty Officer is to know the layout of your airfield, which is right behind. Currently, we are here, and directly behind you is the runway, followed by the taxiway and the apron. The taxiway is what connects the runway to the apron. And the apron is where the aircraft are parked and various ground handling activities are being conducted.
When I was on the tarmac, actually it felt impressive. Everything is so big.
It's approximately 24 square kilometers, roughly about 5 times the size of Sentosa.
Oh! Wait, this whole area is covered by us alone as Airside Duty Officers?
Don't worry, Justin. We work as a team. On top of that, we have assistance from technology and our various airport partners. They are the ones who are the eyes on the ground and they report certain issues to us and will help to manage and resolve those issues to ensure that the airport runs smoothly. Come, let's go for your first task.
Huh? First task already?
One of the key things that an Airside Duty Officer does is to conduct inspection. There are key things that we look out for. Firstly is surface defects such as potholes. Secondly is the lights. Make sure that it's serviceable. Thirdly is signages. Make sure it is not obstructed. Fourth is the markings on the ground. Make sure that the painting doesn't fade. And last but not least is foreign object debris.
5 items.
Yes, 5 items. Your first task of the day, identify the foreign object debris on this closed taxiway. Typically, a runway inspection, you only have 5 minutes for 4 kilometers long. Since you're a newbie, I give you a discount.
Yeah, I love discounts.
You only need to find the FOD from this point to that point. You ready?
No?
Your time starts now. Go!
Now?
Doing good, Justin. Doing good.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rocks might be something that chip off, you know. Let's go.
4 minutes left, Justin.
1 minute gone already, I got so
I
fast!
feel that there's something wrong with the timing.
Go faster, Justin.
Really? Maybe it's some electrical conduit, but got love shape lah. I love you lah.
2 minutes!
You sure you're counting correctly or not?
Why are we taking so long to cover such a short distance though?
Because
Because it's a newbie.
I'm a newbie and no car.
Let's stop thinking and more moving!
Hey, come, faster lah, faster! This is the best you can do, eh?
Oh my god, oh my god.
10 seconds,
you walk.
now!
10 seconds! Come,
Take your time, take your time.
4, 3, 2. Not bad, Justin. You made it.
You sure that was 5 minutes?
Unfortunately for you, Justin, there are still 3 more items out there. Even though those 3 items are small, it can still potentially cause damage to aircraft. And because of that, you fail the challenge, Justin.
I feel
You need to be accountable for all the FODs.
100%.
100%, that's right. So right now, what you do, you go pick up the rest of the 3 items. Sad,
We've picked up most recently a weather balloon.
A weather balloon?
But we do get birthday balloons as well.
Yes, we
that
do.
fly into
Party balloons.
Yes.
Yeah. Safety shoe.
Safety shoe.
You mean you were like running like me and then the shoe just drop out?
Correct. And it's only one. It's not a pair, it's only one.
Airport Cinderella.
Airport Cinderella.
That's right.
Are there any equipments that everyone uses?
For our day inspections, when we do our FOD checks, for example, usually in a vehicle with 2 people. Yeah, so one person will focus on driving while the other one spots and looks for these FODs. On top of that, our vehicles are also equipped with lights. So at night, especially when we do our inspections, everything is lit up very nicely and we are able to spot the shiny bolts and nuts on the floor.
It's 1:30 a.m. Look at this place. It is literally empty. I'm the only human being here at this point of time.
Everybody working lah. You mean not there pantry alone?
She's saying you're slacking off.
I mean, I'm still waiting for him lah.
Justin, you ready?
Yes, I was ready. I was just telling everyone that I'm waiting for you.
Let's go.
Right, man. So what are we going to do later?
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise.
Yes.
Could it be a party? Because I see that there's actually a lot of lights.
A few moments later.
I see the lights.
Yes.
I see the lights.
Yes.
Is that the party?
The party is just for you.
Ewa.
So Niza, I think this is not the party that I really expected.
Right now, what's happening is the extended runway closure. The runway is our most valuable asset. So we need to maintain the runway in a tip-top condition, make sure that it's safe for aircraft operations.
Is there any way that this can actually be done in a day?
You wish.
For you,
Just for me.
Unfortunately, you can't, Justin. Because typically during the day, Changi experience aircraft movement every 90 seconds. That's why we only do it at night where the traffic is lesser. So what you see behind you is the runway resurfacing works. It's one of the few works that happens during the extended runway closure.
You know, from what I see, there's like so many lights lah. 1 or 2 40 lights. Shouldn't cause too much of an issue, right?
But then remember I told you that the runway is the most valuable asset, so we must make sure that not only the runway surface, but the lights are in optimal condition.
They actually seem to be almost done.
Correct.
I was wondering, since I'm tired,
Uh-huh.
I actually just go back and take a rest.
Barely did anything, leh.
It doesn't sound good. It's not a good start.
They may be done, but you're not.
Ah,
I have a challenge for you.
challenge.
Let's go.
Liza, but
Let's go. Come. So Justin,
Yep.
for tonight's runway closure, I have a special challenge for you. The challenge will be a friction test challenge. Before I let you know how it's done, aren't you curious to know who's your challenger?
Challenger. He really likes to make my life difficult, Challenger.
Here comes a new challenger.
Hello, Justin. Nice to meet you.
You look like handsome Korean, so I think high chance you will win me lah.
You ready to lose lah?
Yes.
Okay.
So the friction test, right, is actually a vehicle. There's a water tank and there's a wheel. So as you drive, right, the water will be like on the floor, on the ground, and then the wheel is going to take the value of the friction that rolls over it. So it needs to hit the level that is expected for it to be safe.
So I assume the water is to simulate like if it rains or
Yeah,
tarmac.
for the worst condition.
Okay, so what you can see over here is the friction value that is generated by the special wheel. As you move along, it will generate a graph basically. Your challenge for tonight is to ensure that the speed is consistent. So what's the speed that we're looking at? Have a guess.
200 km per hour.
Caleb, we are doing friction test.
Okay, not F1 driving.
We are not doing a drag race.
Okay.
So the speed that we're looking at is between 95 to 97 kilometers per hour. So your job is to ensure that I maintain that speed. There's an additional thing that you guys need to do is to ensure that I'm driving on a straight line. Which means to say your eyes must be focusing both in front and on the screen.
Wait, question, why couldn't you look in front yourself?
I can, but sometimes when you are focusing, right, I might deviate.
Okay. Wow!
Ooh.
Okay, 90 really.
What's my speed?
Your speed is too high.
Go back, slower. He's not slower.
Oh, okay.
The graph is going crazy.
Hey, straight line also.
Yeah, the SFT.
Right. Veer to your right a bit.
Slower. Okay, here's good.
Maintain.
Just now I remember we started on the left side. Now we started on the right.
Center.
Center what? Center?
Guys, how to drive like this guy?
You should be talking to me.
This you're going to left a bit. Right a bit more.
Left or right? Make up your mind, Caleb.
Actually, that's a bit fast. I'm a bit scared.
Slow down.
This side is not F1 ever finish it.
Hey guys, actually it's not easy. It's not as
You
easy
need
as
to
you
talk
see.
to me, Justin. Come on. You have to be specific. Caleb, come on. Specific.
Slower. You're 100 now.
Oh,
Slower.
okay. And we are done.
We're done. Hey, that was very intense. Actually, that was quite scary.
Alright, so what was going through your mind at the start?
Because this is a van, and then going at that speed, when you're not really going on straight, actually you can really feel that the sway is very, very strong. Being in this vehicle without it being in a controlled environment, actually it's pretty dangerous. So this really needs to be trained. Yeah, so it's actually quite scary.
And it doesn't help when your trainee likes to talk to himself most of the time.
So it has been truly an eye-opening experience. You know why? Because I have to keep my eyes open for foreign objects. So with that being said, do you think I deserve to get a stamp of approval on my passport?
Here we go. Moment of truth.
Caleb, what do you think?
If it were me, 100%. But Justin, I'm not so sure lah.
It's been a long night, Justin. And it's been one of the longest in my career.
That is not something you want to hear from your mentor.
Dramatic pause.
I think you have earned your first stamp of approval.
Well done, Justin, well done. But if you remember, just now we had a friction test challenge. We still don't know the results.
I'm going to announce the winner for the friction test challenge.
I know I'm the winner.
No,
I already know.
Winner of the friction test challenge goes to Justin.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Caleb, we see you back at the terminal.
What do you mean see me back at the terminal?
Breakfast at the terminal.
Breakfast?
Yeah, just be back before
Guys,
breakfast
wait,
ends.
don't leave me behind.
Bye.
Wow, nice! You got your very first stamp of approval.
Yeah, did.
Right, so Justin got that stamp of approval was because of his enthusiasm and his confidence. He really made the effort.
You know what? I think that's a very, very good thing. It's all about attitude when you're trying new things.
Correct.
And with that, it's a very good tied up to the very first episode. So Justin, good job on the first challenge. We need to see what happens in the next few episodes, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, well,
Yes.
we hope that you have learned a lot more about what goes on behind the scenes at Changi Airport. So, next episode, we are going into wildlife management, yeah? Alright, see you guys! Hey, Kayla! Still walking give you a head start already leh!
Hey guys, please send me back, please.
At this rate that you're walking, probably I will see you for lunch. Okay. How about this? I help you order.
Okay, help me order.
I help you order, okay?
Thank
But you need to walk faster.
Okay,
You look at the sky, go to lunch
must
already.
help me order.
Okay.
Wait, before you go, how to go back? Is it turn left in front?
Okay.
I don't know how to go back.